Hello everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video we're going to have a look at an Instagram story campaign of a student from the affiliate CPA Facebook group. So what we have today is somebody who's been on the channel before, Min, has sent me a campaign for review. Today we're only going to have a look at the ads and at the offer page. So let's have a look. Min's ad. I've attached 5 ads and I would love to get your feedback on them. The offer is a sweepstake offer to win £1,000 for Tesco in the UK, a big supermarket chain. We'll be running Instagram story ads. This is the offer. So to give you a little background on some of the images, I did some research on any current events, which is current news, which is very good. And apparently it's a anniversary, a 100-year anniversary, which is cool. So they hired the blob thing as a marketing promo, okay. Also try to look for good storefronts, but it's kind of hard to find some, and I did my best with what I got. Well, that's always good. Their storefront images usually work the best with these kind of campaigns, and I will tell you exactly why. Because any grocery store offer I would never run on Instagram. I think I've mentioned it before on the channel, but these are offers which work really, really well on Facebook ads. It wouldn't be my first choice to run them. If I had like 200-300% ROI on Facebook, I'll probably drop them on Instagram as well. But I don't think it's a good fit for the platform, a grocery offer. Nonetheless, let's look at your ads. So this looks good. It's simple. It's not really that convincing. So you would need a pattern interrupt, right? People are watching story ads and you want them to stop tapping basically and swipe up. So I don't think it looks good. It looks aesthetically appealing, but I don't think this is going to be your winning ad. So why is the thing here? That's one question. So yeah, this is a gift card, £1,000, you wrote that yourself. This is a classic image that would work insanely well for Facebook. Why? Because you have the blur. So people are going to look at this, yeah? So they scroll through their newsfeed and this is the pattern interrupt, like Tesco, what's happening? And then you put a red circle around this lady in the back. So they see this, they stop scrolling and they have a look at whatever it is. You grab their attention, they read the copy and they click. In this scenario, this is a poor quality ad. Let me tell you why. A lot of white space, unused white space here. It already says Tesco here, and it did, as you can see here, is not really on there well. The text is too small here, and this is too big. Like it just doesn't fit together. Just like if it looks like you made it with paint, and the border, the red on the blue, is not a good look. This is my least favorite ad so far. So I see what you're trying to do. Basically, you're trying to use Facebook images and blend the Instagram template on it. So in Facebook group, you have access to the trainings, and I use this as a big template. This is not going to work. It might work, it might be profitable, but it will not be bringing in maybe 5 figures, which is obviously what you want. You did select really good images. So if you would run this on Facebook, I don't know your targeting and stuff, but you would have a pretty good solid ad images. So you picked the right images. I think you just picked the wrong platform, because this doesn't look appealing to me at all. This looks better. So I like the color scheme you did here. This has the pure attention. I would remove this voucher. It adds really no value. What you would like to do is see if you can find an image just like this, but full screen, because this is a powerful image. Like people are going to swipe when they see this. When you see this, basically, if you're going through your stories and you see this, it's going to be a strong pattern interrupt. So swipe up and win £1,000 shopping spree. Cool, works. In this scenario, what I would do is, if this is just a random grocery store, I would remove this voucher and just push the Tesco logo here real big. That would work. And as you can see, like here, you have the larger white space, which drags some attention. Here you put blue, and the focus is really here because of all the colors. So just changing the color slightly can already make a huge difference, which is quite interesting. All right, so this is the thing you told us about. Yeah, I probably think this is the best ad. This is good. The image is perfect for Instagram story ads. It fits well. You see the guy with the thing, and this is good. The only thing I would change is I would probably make this blue to fit the scheme, but I think this is probably your best ad out of everything. Well, if you look at the offer page, it has the voucher, obviously. That's what I would think. That's why you would use it to have the brand display there, which is good. I know these by heart. This is a lender from Big Bang Ads, my favorite network. So I know these very well. Then they have a one question click through. Yes, so it's not a direct deep link, but here you get the opt-in, which is really nice. You can also see here Toledo. That's the company Big Bang Ads is working with. So great. I think you probably have a really good campaign here. Try it on Instagram. It might work, but I'm positive you can get this very profitable if you run this on Facebook. So that's what I would recommend. Thank you for sending in this content. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.